I want to thank everybody for watching Crypto Revolution. We talk about everything crypto almost daily, jumping right into the market. Bitcoin, almost 27,200. So we've talked about this idea time and time again. The most important thing is that the price action maintains 25,000, otherwise move down to 20,000. Just as an idea, I drew this dotted line. It's definitely a trend line resistance that's been respected multiple times right here. And so there's a bunch of overhead resistance right at about 28,000, your 200 weekly simple moving average is right there on the weekly time frame. The 21 SMA right there overhead as well. And so all the sellers are stacked right here, where a break above 28,800 would be significant for the Bitcoin bulls. However, like we talked about, 31,800 is the very bullish idea playing out, where you'd be putting in a higher high. So these are the scenarios to watch out for. Tomorrow, you've got the Fed meeting. It's going to be at 2 p.m. Eastern time. The entire stock market is looking for a pause. And so assuming the pause, the Fed doesn't hike rates and they just leave them where they're at, then probably won't see a whole lot of market movement because you're hitting market expectations and it's already priced in. If you do see a rate hike, this would negatively impact the market because it's going against market expectations, and you could see moves out of Bitcoin. Now, Bitcoin 4-hour chart. So again, you got the same trend line we just talked about on the weekly right here, right? And Bitcoin putting in some work, trying to move higher. We talked about this exact idea where it would be bullish if you got a bullish retest of this break, and that could give you another push higher. But we haven't seen a big push yet out of Bitcoin. One thing that I want you to consider is right now, a lot of people are talking about the macroeconomic conditions in the United States not being amazing. Is Bitcoin going to follow the macro markets? We've got the Bitcoin halving coming, and I would quickly build a case based on the last Bitcoin halvings that we've seen, 2012, 2016, 2020, that the easy money is coming, right? Right after the halving, you saw explosive Bitcoin run up 2012. 2016, it started before the actual halving. The run up started before, right? And so again, 2020, you had the panic situation sell off and then the halving. That's where Michael Saylor loaded up on a bunch of Bitcoin around 10,000. And then you saw the price run up to 65,000. Here we are pushing, right? We're getting every day counting down, getting that much closer. The easy money is coming. Bitcoin halving. Now, are you going to see another move to the downside and then an uptrend into the Bitcoin halving? Like, how exactly will this play out? And I'll keep you updated every day, but just know that the easy money is coming. Keep your head in the game. The most important part of this market, the fact that you're here means you're going to win because you have longevity in this market. Most people, they come and go, right? They buy the top, sell the bottom, and they take the hit. A lot of time holders will buy the top and not sell the bottom, and they kind of get stuck in this market and they learn how this market really works. And if you're in that situation and you've taken some losses, don't worry. The easy money is coming. And so hopefully you've got money on the sidelines to get into some of these altcoins. We've got a bunch of amazing moonbag picks coming over the course of this next few months. Bull run ready. Grayscale Investments filed paperwork with the SEC. They're looking for a new ETF, but this is a futures-based ETF, and it's also Ethereum. Got some amazing shout-outs to give in my spot trading group. Of course, leverage, we've been killing it, banger after banger after banger, right? We ran a sale for quite a few days on that. Now the spot group's on sale. We nailed BLZ for 342% while it was in accumulation. We nailed it again here for 113%. And we posted CAAS, June 15th on this double bottom, watch for a retest for entry. And you've seen 175 max gains out of Caspa. If you want to join the spot trading group, go to cryptorev.net. Spot 100 gives you $100 off for 6 months, and spot 200 gives you $200 off for 13 months. Also, the Moonbag picks, the gems, will be posted in the group before they're announced on YouTube and on Twitter. So if you're looking for life-changing small caps, I got you. The SEC warns more charges against crypto and DeFi exchanges are coming. They warn, hey, we're definitely out to get crypto and DeFi exchanges. And I thought, hey, this is interesting. They're targeting DeFi exchanges. Uniswap recently won a class action lawsuit. And this was based on the idea where a lot of people lost money on Uniswap. There's rug pull central, right? All the newer coins, it's high risk, high reward, right? These brand new coins. Everybody's suing Uniswap, and the judge says, you know what? This is too decentralized. Like they couldn't really pinpoint who's responsible. They too decentralized. You know what? You go back and you put that under the Howey test, and it's not a security. The most important thing is that these crypto entities, projects, dexes, they have to take the SEC and drag them through the court system, because the United States court system on multiple occasions, XRP, Grayscale Bitcoin Trust, Uniswap, the courts don't see what the SEC sees. This sets precedents that are going to stand up in the future. One thing that I thought was amazing is the SEC versus Coinbase case is going to be seen by the exact same judge that dismissed the Uniswap class action lawsuit. So you'll notice I've been talking about these ideas because in the United States, this is huge. When you're in the United States and it's Hoop Jumpers Anonymous and you need to find an exchange to trade these coins on, like this slows us down. There's a clear and obvious disadvantage. That's why, again, there's a VIP link in the description. You sign up for MEXC, great place to trade. You got 2,000 altcoins, tons of altcoins to trade, half price trading fees there, no brainer. This is the performance of Ethereum versus the performance of Bitcoin, which is different than the performance of Ethereum versus the performance of USDT, right? This chart will give you a good idea. And again, you've got this falling wedge where we've been in since September of 2022, over a year. When this falling wedge, 68% chance that this breaks out to the upside, I'm looking for major moves out of the altcoin market. And so now we have to fall back. And again, there's plenty of time in this falling wedge. You got the halving coming, Bitcoin potentially taking off. 2024, 2025 are going to be amazing years for crypto. So if you haven't made a ton of money in this market yet, you will. The total two. And so we've talked about this chart multiple times and how the total two, which is the market cap of all top 125 cryptos combined. And it has bounced after a push of this support level. You saw the bounce. Now you just don't want to lose this support level. Otherwise, you could see a 25% pullback on average in all the altcoins. So New York's financial regulator, they've significantly reduced the number of pre-approved cryptos that licensed crypto trading platforms can list. XRP, nope, not in New York. Dogecoin, nope. Litecoin. Litecoin is a fork of Bitcoin. You mine it, it's decentralized. Like how do you, Litecoin, Ethereum Classic, they were removed from the green list. So in New York, here's the approved list of coins that can be traded. Bitcoin, Ethereum, Gemini, US dollar, G-Yen, ZUSD, Pax Gold, Pax Dollar, PayPal Dollar. That's it. ZRX was removed. Aave was removed from the coins that could be listed on exchanges if you live in New York. Bank or BNT removed. Basic Attention Token removed. Binance USD, removed. Bitcoin Cash, removed. Chainlink, removed. Dogecoin, which is a fork of Bitcoin. Ethereum Classic, gone. And you've seen Kyber Network, gone. Litecoin, gone. LivePeer, LPT, gone. Lumens, XLM, gone. Omisigo, OMG, gone. SNX, gone. XRP, gone. Wrapped Bitcoin, gone. Remember, New York also took aim at KuCoin. And KuCoin was targeted by the state of New York specifically. I mean, just think about how much crypto will change the world. Again, in the United States, these cryptos continually targeted, not amazing. If you guys like the content that I provide on a daily basis, be sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video, leave a comment in the comment box. Thanks so much. I'll see you guys tomorrow.